What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, turn your post notifications. We got an unboxing today. We are doing the TPOB Tiffany Blue Edition, as you can see here. That's what we're going to be unboxing, going over, letting you guys see what all comes with it. But let's get to this unboxing. All right, y'all. So now, before we get started with this unboxing, this is going to be day 23 of the Vlogmas series. So if you've been keeping up with Vlogmas, we've been vlogging every day now for 23 days. Now, you may think, oh, wow, he's put up a video for 23 days. That's cool. Takes a lot of time and effort. With that being said, if you haven't checked out the other 22 episodes, go check those out for your boy. Go leave some comments in the comment section. Let's go interact a little bit. Today, I'm going to be very busy at the shop, so I'm not going to be able to really get any footage whatsoever. With that being said, this unboxing is going to be day 23 of the Vlogmas series. So stay tuned. Let's get to this unboxing. All right, y'all, so we have the package here. It says TPOB Play, powered by Acme Mini, 3-hour runtime, chunk blade, dual speed motor. You can see the diagram of the clipper there. On the side, we have the cartoon artwork. On the other side, we have the cartoon artwork. We have the TPOB Pro on the top. And we have the Play branding on the bottom. Now, I'm sorry, top, bottom. Now, on the back here, let me go ahead and put this right here so we can screenshot that for a second. And then once I got that, I'm gonna go ahead and go over the specs here. So it says, the TPOB Mini Play is powered by constant torque technology, sensing blade resistance and automatically boosting motor speed so it never drags, never stalls. Patented Acme motor, dual speed settings from 6,000 to 7,500 RPM, delivering serious power in a compact frame. Ergonomic slim grip, rubberized design with thumb indent for maximum comfort and precision. Smallest clipper in the industry, ultra compact body built for precision fades and all-day control. Whisper Quiet, the quietest motor in the industry at just 58 decibels. Battery built for barbers, 3+ hours of cordless cutting from a 3-hour charge. Insane runtime for the smallest clipper out there. SnapTech 5-lever tech, new smoother, clickier 5-step stretch lever, opening clean to a true #1. Chunk blade, extended range design that opens wider for extra stretch and cleaner fades. And as you can see to the left, we have the actual diagram of the clipper. As you can see, it says chunk blade with oil reservoirs, interchangeable rubber logos. You have the 5-click stretch lever, 2-speed switch, battery LED indicator light. Green on indicates high, red on indicates low, red flash indicates empty. Interchangeable rubber grips. So you can find these on tpobusa.com, but I will leave a link down below, tpobusa.com. You can use code JBLENDS to save yourself 20% off of your purchase. And there's just tons of great tools on tpobusa.com. But let's go ahead and dive into the box to see what you guys get. When we open it up, of course, we're gonna have that cartoon artwork, as you can see there, a bunch of the different TPOB cartoons. You have the man himself right there, just a bunch of other different stuff we got. We got the Peaky Blinders guy, you got the Pinocchio nose guy. But yeah, so first off, what we have is going to be our user manual for the TPOB Play Mini. There's that, gives you instructions how to clean, how to take care of your tools. Also, we have a translucent TPOB Play charging dock in this bag here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. There that is. You could interchange these face plates as well. Put this aside. Then we have our guards. You have your half guard through your fore guard. So there is your half guard. As you can see, let me get it to focus for y'all. There is your half guard. And then there is your fore guard. Now, these guards work. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't really use those guards. The guards I've been on lately are the TPOB Go guards. So the TPOB Go guards I use with every clipper that I have, and they fit every clipper out there. So every clipper that kind of has like the wall system, you know, they won't fit Andis clippers. Andis is the only weird one. But yeah, so I use these. So if you're looking for some double mags with the wall-shaped half guard, this is your go-to. So that's what I've been using. Now, before we get to the clipper, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bag, this charger. No, I'm gonna leave that out. But let's look underneath real quick. So underneath is where we have our accessories. So with our accessories, we have a charging cord, of course. There's your charging cord, goes to the outlet, goes to the clipper. Nothing too complicated. So next up, we have a screwdriver, you got a brush, you got your zero gap tool, and then you got oil. So we're gonna put that back in there, and then go ahead and take out the clipper next. So this is going to be the Tiffany Blue clipper. Man, this thing is nice. Look at that. You cannot beat that colorway. I think that I seen somebody, they had like a, I think it was like an orange faceplate, and it had like this South Beach, like Miami type vibe. I thought that was dope. But that lever, it sounds great. I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the mic real quick so you guys can hear that. All right, y'all, so here is the clipper. Took the mic off. Let you listen to that lever. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it on so you guys can hear it. Low speed first, then our high speed. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the lever, go to the low speed. Definitely the quietest clipper in the game. All right, y'all, we got the mic plugged back up, but here is the charging dock, and then it just sits right in there. And that is how we have it on the charging dock. Now, this charging dock here does have the rubber grips at the bottom to make sure that it stays, in place. But I just think it's really cool how you can see all the, everything on the bottom, all the wiring and stuff. You can see right through it all. And I think that's just a dope concept. I love the video game route that TPOB is taking with the Play, the Go, just kind of like that branding. And I think that's a pretty dope branding. But yeah, so this is the Tiffany Blue clipper. Before we get to moving on, I forgot to talk about the blade. Now this does have the black chunk blade on there. So that is the blade that this clipper specifically comes with. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the actual guard fits on this clipper. So here is our clipper and our guard, and it pops right in. No extra noise, no extra sound. That's what we're working with. Now let me show you how the Go guard fits. So here's your Go guard, and that just fits in there as well. No extra noise as well. Still the quietest clipper in the game. All right, y'all, so that'll do it for the TPOB Play Mini Tiffany Blue Edition unboxing. I will create another video of me actually using it and reviewing it, going through what I think of how it operates. But I will say this, I've used the PlayStation Gray, which I still got to do an unboxing for. I've used the black prototype Mini. I've used the black Mini, and all of them work phenomenally great. I just, I haven't really used a chunk blade. I've used the chunk blade a good bit, but the Play XO has always been my favorite blade. So I'm just gonna throw it out there. But we're gonna give the chunk a go again. And I'm gonna let you guys know what I think of it. It's hard to put the Echo blade down and put to the side right now, but we're gonna have to do that. And we're gonna have to get some footage using the TPOB Tiffany Blue. I might include some footage of me using it. I don't know at this point because it's gonna be a busy day. We'll see. If there's more to the video than this, then there's more to the video. But if there's not, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, share, and post notification. But if we happen to include some clips in there, then we included some clips, and then I'll probably go over the clipper at the end. We'll see. I don't know yet, guys. All right, guys. So as y'all seen, I did end up using the TPOB Tiffany Blue Game Boy Edition in the shop. I did zero gap the clipper, just enough to where it's not biting on the guards. And I will say they cut phenomenally, as you guys seen in the video. Very soft blend. It did a great job debulking, did a great job blending. It didn't get hot. Overall, what else? It feels good in the hand as far as the ergonomics. It's not too small to where you can't use it. It's a good length. I like the sound of the click lever. I like how smooth the click lever is. The chunk blade, it was doing work, and I really appreciate how it cuts. Trying to think of what else. Battery time, I didn't really have to deal with battery time because I do have a charger right by the station. I don't think I ended up charging it today. I did like 7 haircuts about with the full charge. Blade didn't get hot. Didn't eat at the guards, being zero gap the way I got it. Overall, great clipper. I can't deny that one bit. Overall, the aesthetics, just the aesthetics alone of the clipper, I really dig. So shout out to TPOB. There's the chunk blade. Try to get to focus. There's the chunk blade. Awesome clipper. So if you guys are in the market to get a new clipper, I highly suggest copping the TPOB the Play Mini. Any one. It could be the black one, it could be the PlayStation gray, it could be the Tiffany blue. But overall, if you want a new clipper, if you're in the market to get one, I highly suggest you try this out. Go to tpobusa.com, use code JBlends to save yourself 20% off. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review of the clipper, also the little clips we put in there. But until next time, God bless. This is day number 23 of Vlogmas. We got 2 more days and we're done with the vlog. I did 25 days of vlogging. It's been a great time, guys. But hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Until next time, God bless.